This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn Risch. Welcome to 1307 Rainforest Lane. This home offers the ideal location just minutes from the turnpike, an easy commute to Orlando and the airport, famed theme parks and historic downtown Clermont. The fenced backyard is perfect for barbecues, and entertaining family or friends. It features a smokeless fire pit, dance floor, and the trees are perfect for hanging lanterns and lights for the fairytale feel. Inside, the floor plan allows for flexibility in lifestyles. The generously sized primary bedroom offers an adjacent bath with dual sinks, walk-in shower, jetted soaking tub and water closet. 2 more bedrooms are located on the other side of the spacious family room. The kitchen has enough space for multiple cooks and overlooks the family room and through to the screened porch. The den/office has French doors and could be a bedroom, and across the foyer is the bonus room. This flexible space could be a dining room, playroom, music room, library, or whatever you desire. The community features a low yearly HOA fee and minimal restrictions. This is a great place to call home. For more information, review the details below.